Exercise 13C. First question. Factorize 16 minus 9x square. So look at the first number 16. So 16 you can write it as 4 square minus, so similarly 9 you can write it as 3 square. So already you have x square, so 3x the whole square. So we have a formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here your a value is 4 and b value is 3x. So substitute in the formula, we get 4 plus 3x into 4 minus 3x. Second question, factorize 1 minus 100 a square. So 1 you can write it as 1 square minus 100 you can write it as 10 square. So already you have a square there, so 10a the whole square. So we have a formula, that is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here a value is 1 and b value is 10a. So we get 1 plus 10a into 1 minus 10a. Third question, factorize 4x square minus 81y square. So you can write 4 in terms of square, you get 2 square. Already you have x square, so 2x the whole square minus 81 we can write it as 9 square, so 9y the whole square. Here a value is 2x and b value is 9y. Substitute in the formula, a plus b, we get 2x plus 9y into a minus b, that is 2x minus 9y. Fourth question, factorize 4 by 25 minus 25b square. So here 4 is 2 square and similarly 25 is 5 square. So you can write 2 by 5 the whole square minus 25b square, you can write it as 5b the whole square. So here a value is 2 by 5 and b value is 5b. So substitute in the formula, a plus b, we get 2 by 5 plus 5b into 2 by 5 minus 5b. Fifth question, factorize a plus 2b the whole square minus a square. So if you look at the question is already in the form a square minus b square. So here a value is a plus 2b and b value is a. So substitute in the formula. So a plus b, we get a plus 2b plus a into a minus b, we get a plus 2b minus a. So the next step, you have a. So a plus a will get 2a plus 2b, and here plus a minus a will get cancelled and you have 2b here. So the next step, you can take 2 common from here. So you'll get 2 into a plus b into 2b. So we can multiply 2 and 2b, will get 4b into a plus b. Sixth question, factorize 5a minus 3b the whole square minus 16b square. So here this is a square, but this value is not there in the form of b square. So we'll write 5a minus 3b the whole square minus 16, you can write it as 4 square, so we get 4b the whole square. So now we have a square minus b square form. Substitute in the formula, a value is 5a minus 3b and b value is 4b. So when we substitute a plus b, we get 5a minus 3b plus 4b into a minus b, 5a minus 3b minus 4b. So we have 5a minus 3b plus 4b, will get plus b. Then 5a minus 3b minus 4b, we get 5a minus 3b minus 4b, we get minus 7b. Seventh question, factorize a power 4 minus a square minus 3b square the whole square. So a power 4, you can write it as a square the whole square minus a square minus 3b square the whole square, and here a value is a square and b value is a square minus 3b square. Substitute in the formula a plus b, we get a square plus a square minus 3b square. Then a minus b, we get a square minus a square minus into minus 3b square, you will get plus 3b square. So the next step, a square plus a square you can add, so we'll get 2a square minus 3b square into a square minus a square will get cancelled, so we have only 3b square. Eighth question, factorize 5a minus 2b the whole square minus 2a minus b the whole square. So this is of the form a square minus b square, and a value is 5a minus 2b. Similarly, b value is 2a minus b. So when we substitute, we'll get a plus b, that is 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b into a minus b. So first write a value, then minus of b value. So in the next step, you have 5a plus 2a, we'll get 7a minus 2b minus b, we get minus 3b into 5a minus 2a, so we have 3a minus 2b plus b, will get minus b. Ninth question, factorize 1 minus 25 into a plus b the whole square. So this you can write it as 1 square minus 25 can be written as 5 square. So 5 into a plus b the whole square. So here a value is 1 and b value is 5 into a plus b. Substitute in the formula a plus b, we get 1 plus 5 into a plus b, a minus b, that is 1 minus 5 into a plus b. So the next step, multiply 5 inside. So 5 into a and 5 into b. So we get 1 plus 5a plus 5b into, so similarly 1 minus 5 into a, 5 into b. So minus 5a, so minus 5 into b minus 5b. 10th question, factorize 4 into 2a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. So the next step, write 4 as 2 square, so we'll get 2 into 2a plus b the whole square minus of a minus b the whole square. So here a value is 2 into 2a plus b and b value is a minus b. So first write a plus b, that is 2 into 2a plus b plus a minus b into a minus b, will get 2 into 2a plus b minus. So the next step, multiply 2 inside. So we get 2 into 2a, 4a plus 2b plus a minus b. So similarly here also we'll get 4a plus 2b, multiply minus inside, we'll get minus a plus b. So the next step, simplify 4a plus a will get 5a, 2a minus b will get plus 1b. So similarly here 4a minus a, 3a plus 2b plus b plus 3b. So the next step, you can take 3 common from this factor. So we'll get 3 into a plus b into 5a plus b. 11th question, factorize 25 into 2x plus y the whole square minus 16 into x minus y the whole square. So write 25 as 5 square, so 5 into 2x plus y the whole square. Similarly 16 we can write it as 4 square, so we get 4 into x minus y the whole square. So here 5 into 2x plus y is a value and 4 into x minus y is your b value. So first write a plus b, we get 5 into 2x plus y plus 4 into x minus y. So similarly a minus b, 5 into 2x plus y minus 4 into x minus y. In the next step, multiply 5 into 2x and 5 into y, will get 10x plus 5y. Similarly multiply 4 inside, we get plus 4x minus 4y. So similarly here also we'll multiply the terms. So we get 10x plus 5y minus 4x. So minus 4 into minus y will get plus 4y. So again, so 10x plus 4x will get 14x plus 5y minus 4y will get plus y. So similarly here 10x minus 4x will get 6x plus 5y plus 4y plus 9y. So from the second factor, that is 6x plus 9y, we can take 3 as common. So when we take it out, 3 into 2x plus 3y into 14x plus y. 12th question, factorize 49 into x minus y the whole square minus 9 into 2x plus y the whole square. So 49 can be written as 7 square, 7 into x minus y the whole square minus 9 into 2x plus y can be written as 3 into 2x plus y the whole square. So here a value is 7 into x minus y and b value is 3 into 2x plus y. So substitute in the formula a plus b, we get 7 into x minus y plus 3 into 2x plus y. So similarly a minus b, we get 7 into x minus y minus of 3 into 2x plus y. So in the next step, multiply the terms, we get 7x minus 7y. Similarly multiply 3, we get plus 6x plus 3y. So again multiplying here, we get 7x minus 7y. So minus 3 into 2x, we get minus 6x. Then minus 3 into plus y, we get minus 3y. So next step, simplify. So we have 7x plus 6x, so we'll get 13x minus 7y plus 3y will get minus 4y. So similarly here 7x minus 6x will get 6, then minus 7y minus 3y will get minus 10y. 13th question, evaluate 6 2 by 3 the whole square minus 2 1 by 3 the whole square. So expand it using the formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. We get 6 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 1 by 3. So now convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So multiply 6 into 3 will get 18. So 18 plus 2, 20. So 20 divided by 3 plus, so similarly 2 1 by 3 can be converted as 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3. So similarly again here we'll get 20 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Here the denominators are same, so you can add the numerators. So we get 20 plus 7, that is 27 by 3 into 20 minus 7 there, so we'll get 13 by 3. So you can cancel 27 and 3, we get 3 1 time, 3 9 time. Again cancel 9 by 3, we get 3 here. So now 3 into 13. So the answer is 39. 14th question, evaluate 7 3 by 10 the whole square minus 2 1 by 10 the whole square. So we'll expand it using the formula. We get 7 3 by 10 plus 2 1 by 10, then 7 3 by 10 minus 2 1 by 10. So now convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We get 7 into 10 70, so 70 plus 3 you will get 73 by 10 plus 2 into 10 20, 20 plus 1 21 by 10. So similarly here we get 73 by 10 minus 21 by 10. So when we simplify, we get 73 plus 21, 94 divided by 10 into, here 73 minus 21, we get 52 divided by 10. So you can cancel this number using 2 table. So 2 5 times and here 2 26 times. So similarly here 2 5 times and here 47 times. So we get 47 into 26. So when we multiply, we'll get 1222 divided by 5 into 5, 25. So we can leave the answer till here, or we can convert this into mixed fraction. So when we convert, we'll get 48 22 by 25. 15th question, evaluate 0.7 the whole square minus 0.3 the whole square. Expand it using the formula, we get 0.7 plus 0.3. So similarly here 0.7 minus 0.3. So when we add 0.7 plus 0.3, we get 1.0, which is nothing but 1. So similarly when we find 0.7 minus 0.3, we get 0.4. So when you multiply 1 into 0.4, we get 0.4. 16th question, evaluate 4.5 the whole square minus 1.5 the whole square. So expand it using the formula, 4.5 plus 1.5 into 4.5 minus 1.5. So when we add 4.5 plus 1.5, we'll get 6. Similarly when you subtract, you will get 3. So 6 multiplied by 3 will get 18. 17th question, 75 into x plus y the whole square minus 48 into x minus y the whole square. So we try to write in such a way that we get the form a square minus b square. So 75 can be written as 3 into 25. So similarly 48 can be written as 3 into 16. So x minus y the whole square. So here 25 can be written as 5 square, and similarly 16 can be written as 4 square, and we can take 3 as a common. So when we take it out, 3 into 5 into x plus y the whole square minus 4 into x minus y the whole square. So now this is of the form a square minus b square. So expand this using the formula, we get 5 into x plus y minus plus 4 into x minus y. So similarly 5 into x plus y minus 4 into x minus y. So multiply the terms, we get 3 into 5x plus 5y plus 4x minus 4y. Similarly here we get 5x plus 5y minus 4x plus 4y. So simplify 5x plus 4x, we get 9x. So plus 5y minus 4y, we'll get plus y. So similarly here 5x minus 4x is x, plus 5y plus 4y, we get 9y. 18th question, factorize a square plus 4a plus 4 minus b square. So here if you look at the values, that is a square plus 4a plus 4, we can write it in the form of a plus b whole square. So here a value is a and b value is 2. So a plus b the whole square minus b square. If you want, we can expand and check a plus b whole square. When you expand, we'll get a square plus 4 plus 4a. So which is equal to, this is of the form a square minus b square. So expand it using the formula, we get a plus 2 plus b, then a plus 2 minus b. 19th question, factorize a square minus b square minus 2b minus 1, so which is equal to a square. So from the remaining term, take minus as common, so we'll get minus into b square plus 2b plus 1. So this term, that is b square plus 2b plus 1, can be written in the form of b plus 1 the whole square. So which is equal to a square minus b plus 1 the whole square. Now expand it using the formula, we get a square plus b plus 1 and a square minus b minus 1. 20th question, factorize x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 4y square. So here we can write x square plus 6x plus 9 can be written as 3 square. So similarly 4y square can be written as 2y the whole square. So here if you look at these values, that is x square plus 6x plus 3 square, we can write it x plus 3 the whole square. So therefore we get x plus 3 the whole square minus 2y the whole square. Now expand it using the formula, we get x plus 3 plus 2y, then x plus 3 minus 2y.